How to delete TEMU account permanently. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open TEMU on your browser or through the app. So if you're opening through the browser, type TEMU and click on the official website. So if you're not signed in, go ahead and sign in. And once you're signed in, click on your profile icon and then go to Settings. Click on Account Security. If you scroll down, you'll see Delete your TEMU account. Click on that and then tick this I want to permanently delete my TEMU account and all this data and click on Continue. Click on Delete. Now you do have to verify your identity, so you can use your email verification code, your Google account, or your password. So I'm going to click on password. So go ahead and type your password and then click on Continue. Now your request to permanently delete your account has been sent and you'll be automatically signed out of your account and it will be deleted in 7 business days. If you wish to cancel the request, you can just click on Sign In and then cancel the request and keep your account. So if you want to confirm the deletion, click on Confirm and then your account will be deleted. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.